Trim flute is subtle square-footed profile. Its long flute profile gives it strength and long-spanning capabilities. It yields the best match between strength and economy for roofing in industrial and commercial properties. It ensures great drainage characteristics because of its square flutes. It is also aesthetically appealing and it allows for water harvesting. Trim flute has the following benefits. It is cost-efficient, lightweight, long-lasting, secure, repair-free, and fire-resistant.
Next, a session on how MRM ensures the working environment is healthy and safe.
Health and safety, we deal with matters environment and the health and safety of employees, our neighbors and our visitors. In quality, it's all about ensuring the customer gets quality goods. On business improvement, we look at how we can improve MRM, both in terms of processes and take to the next level. On matters on environment, health and safety, we are guided by the Kenyan laws, principal Kenyan laws, industry standards, and our overall goal of ensuring zero harm, both to the environment, to our employees, to our neighbors, to our visitors, and company assets. And the reason why we've put processes in place to manage this is because we're in a risky environment. It's a manufacturing plant. There are hazards everywhere. And we've put in place mechanisms for managing those hazards through training of people, communication, of course leadership and allocation of resources, responsibilities to people to ensure that every person is responsible and accountable for health and safety. And we've extended this to not just Mariakani, but in every single site where MRM operates. In principle, every visitor or employee or contractor staff that comes, we take them through a health and safety induction. This health and safety induction, we tell them the do's and the don'ts of MRM. Yeah? We'll tell them of the hazards that we have, which are not general. This covers, for example, the PPE compliance requirement for MRM, requirements on alcohol testing and drug use, requirements on which areas you can go to and which ones you cannot, what activities you are authorized to do and which ones you are not, with the principal aim of ensuring there is no harm, both to the visitor and to MRM employees or its assets. We have invested heavily in modern technology to recycle, reuse most of our effluents, and we comply, of course, with the legal requirements as per the industry standards in terms of the water that we discharge to the environment. We, of course, carry out tests as required by law and as per industry guidelines to test and monitor to ensure we comply to those requirements, both for stack emissions or air emissions, waste management as a whole, whether it is solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste. We have a process of managing it to ensure that we don't harm the environment again or our neighborhoods. We have invested in emergency response equipment technically for our critical risk areas. We have fire engines, effective hydrant system in case of a fire, because fire is one of our major risks. We have emergency vehicles in case an employee gets injured. We have MMC, which takes care of any injury to any worker, either during the day or during the night. So basically, we are well covered in case of any emergency. Again, for us to give consistent quality to our customers, we have established processes which are adhered to, audited and monitored to ensure that the final product that goes to the markets does not just meet the customer's requirement but delights them. This in terms of testing, all the way from our raw materials, in-process testing, final product testing, testing of all the raw materials, and even going to an extent of simulating the performance of our products in the outside environment in collaboration with University of Nairobi to ensure that when you buy our sheets or our coil and when we give you a warranty, it meets that warranty through proven research-based data that involves the gauge of our sheets, color, coating class, marking or branding, to ensure that the critical parameters are well displayed and marked indelible ink on each and every sheet that we sell to a customer. We also ensure that before it delivers our promises, it is well packaged, so that when we get to the customer, it is in perfect condition as we produced it. Of course, also we've put very capable people in our processes to ensure that the same is achieved. The performance of our products can be proven both in the national testing and in our real-life-based test sites, which we have put in Mariakani, in Nairobi, in Diani, and we're having another one in Kisii, to actually demonstrate that what happens when you put an MRM sheet on your roof vis-a-vis our competitors. And I look forward to meet a new challenge to ensure that our customers will get better products. As new technologies evolve, we adopt the technologies, give them even superior products.
MRM Roofing Tiles comes with an installer who holds your hand all the way.